Hello guys, my name is Karime and today I'm working on problem 6 from the homework assignment. And so you can't really do problem 6 unless you kind of know a little bit about problem 5, or at least that's how I felt for me. I had to figure this one out first and then I went to the other one. It took me a little longer. So with problem 5, the question is, Delgado's Clinic's cash account shows a $16,398 debit balance and its bank statement shows $14,998 on deposit at the close of business on June 30th. So we will go one by one here, just really quick, just so you know what's going on. So we have an outstanding checks as of June 30th of a total of $1,496. And so an outstanding check will usually go in the deduction area of the bank statement right here, and so we can see that right here. The next one, it says the June 30th bank statement lists a $100 bank service charge, and that will go right here on the book balance because the bank has already recorded it, but in the book balance it was not recorded, so it has to be there as well. Then check number 919 listed with the canceled checks was correctly drawn from $289 in payment of utility bill on June 15th. Delgado Clinic mistakenly recorded it with a debit to utilities expense and a credit to cash in the amount of $298. So the bank recorded it correctly, but the clinic did not. So we have to solve for the difference. So it's $298 minus $289, which gives us $9. And we record it right here in the book balance. And then letter D says the June 30 cash receipts of $2,805 were placed in the bank's night depository after banking hours and were not recorded on June 30th bank statement. So it was after banking hours, and it was in the bank. So it was recorded here in the book balance because they were like, okay, well, we're going to put it there. But the bank didn't get it until the next day. Therefore, it's a deposit to be added in the bank statement. And so it's right there. And then for the bank statement balance, we will see that it's $14,998. And for the book balance, it's $16,398. And where I got those numbers, it's right up here in the first sentence. So now we're going to move on to problem 6. And so in number 1, let's go back to here. So for the journal entries, we don't have to record anything for the bank statement balance, but we do have to record the book balance. So anything related to the book statement balance will not really be recorded in a journal entry, as that's what I understood. Hopefully that's correct for everything. So right here, for number 1, there will be no journal entry required because it was in the bank statement. And then number 2, the June 30th bank statement lists a $100 bank service charge. That was recorded in the book statement, so it has to be recorded right here. So we do debits first and then credits every time when we do general ledgers, journal entries. And so we will record it as a miscellaneous charge because there is no service bank charge. So record the 100 at debit and then it'd be a cash credit. So let's go down here. I say cash, it's 100. And for number 3, we were adjusting stuff in the book entry, so we are going to add that here as well. So we adjusted cash, so it was $9, and it was for utilities expense, so we will credit that right here, be $9. And number 4, which is letter D, that one was for the bank statement, as you can see right here, number 4 right here. So we do not need to record anything basically So we're going to have to add that right here. Let me see, no, if it wants to work. No journal entry required. And so, as you can see, for 2 of them, there was no journal entry required. And then for the other ones, we were able to debit miscellaneous expense, credit cash, and debit cash, and credit utilities expense. If you guys have any questions, I can do my best to answer them. I'm not very good at this. It took me a long time to figure it out. But hopefully this helps just a little bit. And it's short and simple and straight to the point. If it doesn't, then I'm so sorry. I will try to do better next time. Thank you and have a great day.